Item 1619. This is the Victorinox Architecture 20 Wainwright Attached Briefcase Handbag. The material is black nylon and the rank is AB. For its outside condition, the black nylon already has some signs of discoloration on the upper portion, and it has some dirt and stains on its lower bottom area. It also has some scratches, and for the logo, the metal fitting also has visible fading as well as scratches. On the front portion, it has an outer compartment, and the zipper movement is smooth. Once you have opened this compartment, we have a lot of compartments inside for IDs and for cell phones. For the interior of this compartment, the pipings has visible scratches on the upper portion, visible stains on that side as well as on the other side. And it has one zipper type compartment, and the movement is also smooth. As for the handle, the leather portion has some visible scratches and wrinkles, but it doesn't have any cuts. There is another compartment, a slip type compartment. It's a mini compartment. It has looseness of threads on its upper area, on that area, and some discoloration on the black nylon. For its side, it also has some discoloration on the material, and for the metal fitting, it has visible scratches. For the back portion, it has minimal discoloration, and it has a total of 2 compartments. One slip type, the interior is clean, and one zipper type compartment, the interior is also clean. This compartment can be used. There is another zipper on its lower portion. If you open it, you can hang it on your trolley. The other side of the bag, it has minimal discoloration, and for the metal fitting, it has visible tarnish and scratches. On its lower portion, the bottom area, it has looseness of threads and tears on its corners. Once you have opened the biggest compartment, you will notice that the zipper movement is clean, and it has a total of 2 dividers and 1 mini compartment, all of which doesn't have any stains and have minimal signs of dirt. This also has a strap, and for the condition of the strap, it doesn't have any cuts, it has minimal scratches and dirt, and for the metal fitting, it also has minimal scratches. Again, this is the Victorinox Architecture 20 Wainwright Attached Briefcase Handbag. The rank is AB.